Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri holds a delegation-level talk with Bangladesh counterpart Mohammad Jassim Udain in Dhaka. So that's the latest that's coming in at this point of time. We're seeing that Foreign Secretary is currently in Dhaka amid strained ties between India and Bangladesh and recent escalations when it comes to attacks on minorities, specifically Hindus in Bangladesh. And we're also seeing lately there have been recent vandalization of ISKCON centers in Bangladesh and Hindu temples being vandalized when it comes to Bangladesh. We have with us my colleague Simran Babbar joining us on the telecast. Simran, we are seeing now that delegation level talks are being held between Vikram Misri and his counterpart. And what exactly are the talks that are being held? What's the agenda of the talks?
Well, rightly said. In fact, let me first put it out. The correct visit, the purpose of the visit of the Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri to Dhaka at this point of time concerns over the recent spate of attacks that have been growing against the minorities and the Hindus in Bangladesh, and specifically there have been delegations also who have been protesting back home on the kind of recent atrocities that have been witnessed against Hindus in Bangladesh. So it's a day long visit. First, that, and secondly, on his visit to Dhaka, where he's already holding a delegation and a long, wide range talks with his foreign counterpart. Mr. Uddin as well. And this is, in fact, going to yield some positive response, what we can expect in the days to come, as far as there has to be concern and emphasis on also how to curtail and how to prevent the recent attacks on minorities in Bangladesh. At this point, in fact, it also goes on to give emphasis on what kind of action by the Mohammed Yunus led government after Sheikh Hasina fled the country will take on the arrest of the spiritual ISKCON monk Chinmay Krishna Das, and that is also going to be in focus. What importantly needs to be also given some emphasis here, apart from what is already being put in focus, is how the bilateral ties between the Mohammed Yunus government and now India, after Sheikh Hasina had openly made the statement yesterday saying that Bangladesh is now running under the rule of terrorists after she has fled, as there have been, in fact, no emphasis on how to maintain peace and protect the minorities in the nation. Sheikh Hasina has come out on record to say that Bangladesh is under a severe threat, as the number of incidents have been continuing to increase, given the kind of atrocities and the scale at which, in fact, all the Hindu minorities and the minorities in Bangladesh have been facing the spate of attacks.